Hi, my name is BREGJE and you are watching Estona tutorials. And if you are watching this video, you are not currently on my subscriber feed, so you can watch a part of this video, but if you want to get the full experience, then please hop on over to Patreon and you can find me at patreon.com/Estona_tutorials. I hope I'll see you there. And these are the main players of today's video. First off, these gorgeous silver grey freshwater pearls. Some bead cord for stringing pearls and beads, and I am using the 0.5 millimeters thick cord, and there is a needle included. Some French wire, and of course I am going to show you what it's for. And I have this small silver clasp. And I am going to use some materials, including this 1 millimeter drill bit. And I'm using this thing to hold my drill. I have a pair of tweezers ready just in case I need them. Some cutting pliers. I only need a little bit of glue. So we did tie the first knot, and now let's continue with the second one. I'm going to bring the needle through the second pearl. And then you are going to create a knot, and the important thing is that that knot really is very close to your pearl. With the top view, I have the pearls over here. The short wire is between these fingers here, and this is my long wire. Again, moving underneath the short wire and going in here in this loop to create a simple knot. And the only thing I have to look out for is that I will close it up very close to the pearl. Now there are people who like to do this with tweezers, and I simply like to use my hands. Tie it up, and this is the beginning of our pearl strand. And if you are feeling more comfortable by using a pair of tweezers, then you can use them like this. Lay a small knot or the start of a knot. Loosen the knot a bit and make sure that you grab this part here, the piece of wire that is sticking out of your pearl, and gently pull until this is right there, and then slide the knot down with your tweezers.